Okay, in this session we are going to see about Docker Compose. So Compose is a tool for defining and running multiple continuous Docker application. Like you have multi-tier application, front end, back end, and database. Like how can you link those individual containers? So with the help of Docker Compose, we can link all those containers and run in a tier application like 2 tier, 3 tier, 4 tier, multi-tier application. We have seen how to run a containers individually, but we need the stack of containers now. So we will see how to work with all those things. So first we need to install Docker Compose. Okay, let me see the command. Docker Compose install Ubuntu. You just need to run a single command, this one. Run this command to download the current stable release of Docker Compose. Just copy it and paste it into your machine. It is there. Okay, now make it executable. Done. Let's see Docker Compose. So this is how you are going to run this command, docker hyphen. Okay, now let's see. Working perfect. Okay, now let's create a Docker Compose file. We have a Docker file. Now let's create a Docker Compose file. So vim Docker Compose dot yml or yml, both things are same. Okay, yml will work, yml also work, both of the things are same. Okay, first we need the version, like which version of my Compose is there. So I'm using 3. Now services. Now see, let's take it, let's make it application. Okay, let's make it application. Okay, now image, which image I need to use, I am making nginx, and I am also mentioning the port number, on which port I need to expose it. So let's make it 8081 and 80 of my container. That's it. See, we are going to see from the very basic. This is the version of my Compose. Inside services, application. See, now what is this application, we will see now. Okay, and the image and the port number. To run it, the command will be doc compose up -d. Okay, and you should be in the directory where your Docker Compose file is. Okay, if you are not in the directory where Docker Compose file is, it is going to give you an error. Enter. Okay, to see the containers or to see the stack, Docker Compose ps. So see, this is that name application, which I was telling you, na. Docker Compose, this application, this is the name. Okay, now see, it is up and running. Okay, you can visit to this IP address with this port number. You will see that welcome page of nginx. Let's see it. Then I will show you something. On 8081, right? Okay, welcome to nginx. It is there. Now see, this is my Compose file. This is a process. Now whenever we are going to execute something like this with the Docker Compose, so it will also create a network, a virtual bridge network of this one. This will run inside the another network. Okay, it will run inside another network. See, so network ls. See, root default. Okay, this has been it when I run this stack of compose. Now see the logs from here. When I run this command docker compose up -d, so it is saying creating network root default with the default driver, that is which one? Bridge, right? See, root default, and when I run this command docker network ls root default, the bridge network. So this stack of these containers are running inside this network. They have their own network. Okay, and if you will check the IP address, you can see here, this is the another bridge network which has been created. This one, this is the range. Okay, this was the default bridge network, but this has been created now. You can cross check with br. Okay, now see, if you will delete this stack, this network will be gone. It will delete itself. Let's see. Docker compose, just make it down. So see, first it will stop the container, then it will remove the that one, and then it will remove the network. First stop, and then it will going to delete the container, then it will remove the network. Now if I run this command docker network ls, so see that network has been gone. And if I check the IP address, see only these two containers are there up and running. That bridge network is gone. This one bridge network is gone. This 172. See, right? So always remember, whenever you are working with docker compose and you are trying to run a stack of your applications or your multiple containers, it is going to create a new network for that particular stack, particular containers which are linked to each other. Okay, let me delete the containers also. I think they are running. See, these two containers are running. That's why these two network is there also. So to remove multiple containers, I told you that command, docker rm -s $, and docker ls -a -q. Got it? Now if you will see the IP address, it is gone also. Okay, I hope this thing is clear. Now in the next session we will try to run multiple containers. I will see you in the next session now. Thank you.